and welcome to Lunch with Lexplore. Today we're working on writing. Jane and I are finishing a project about the town of Verona where we live. And here you can see we took a walk earlier this week through town and we found lots of interesting things. What's that one of, Jane?
It's a building with salt that melts the snow when it's winter.
Yeah, we found the salt house in town.
Yeah, and this little thing here, that's the salt.
Great. And we found a playground. Can you show us the picture of the playground? Up there. And what did we find out about that playground?
We found out that there was
Fences?
fences,
Right?
and because of the virus.
So it was closed, huh?
Yeah.
And then we saw lots of pretty flowers.
Over here.
Yep.
Not over here, but there is flowers.
Right, some nice flowers. And what are you doing down at the bottom there, that last picture on the right on the bottom?
I'm on the wall and I'm eating French fries with chicken fingers, and I have.
Why were you eating on the wall, Jane?
Because I had nowhere to eat but there.
Okay, great. And so what we did, we went on our walk, we took some nice photographs, and then we talked about our excursion. And we wrote some words at the top here that we thought we might need for our writing. And then at the bottom, Jane told me the story and I wrote it on the board for her. And we made sure we started our paragraph with a nice introductory sentence, Verona is pretty. And then we shared some details about what we saw in Verona. And then finally at the end, we had our conclusion, which is I love Verona. And then Jane, but you're writing from the point of view of who? What kind of writing is this?
Oh, pigeon writing, and pigeon is telling it right here.
Oh. So Jane loves to write in cartoon format. She especially likes Pigeon, who's a Mo Willems character. She learned how to draw him by watching a Mo Willems doodle video.
And I can show you.
Okay, and so now we are doing our writing from the point of view of Pigeon just because it's really fun, right, Jane?
Yeah. Can I show you?
Yep.
So how do you make the pigeon on this page?
She's going to show us how to make a pigeon if you're interested. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, Jane. Show us.
So first you make a big O. Then you make a little one in the middle. Kind of looks like a dog.
Okay.
Then you add a little circle in the middle that's colored in.
Uh-huh.
Then you add an M.
An M.
And then you go down, and then you go down, then you go across, and across. Then you go like this. You curve, and then you make a V at the bottom, and then you go back, and then you make a V. Then you put some 2 legs, and then you put a V, and another V. And then that's how you make the pigeon. And then maybe if you have any color, but the best color that I have is this one, and I'll show you how to color it.
Okay, so now we're coloring it in. Basically anything that makes your child excited about writing is something that you should pull into the process. And for Jane, making cartoons with Pigeon makes really great writing. Thanks, Jane.
Wait, I wasn't done.
Oh, okay, finish up. Okay.
And this is how you make it, but it's supposed to be like a little bit smaller.
Looks great. Thanks, Jane.
But this is really looks better, but it's good.
Okay.
It's because it's another bit better. I need a book.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Say bye.
Bye.